Hi guys, this is Debojyoti here and today we will be trying the buffet lunch of Absolute Barbecue. This outlet is located at a 2-minute walking distance from Parkstreet Metro, and as always I'll drop the Google Map link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. Right now we are heading to the Wish Grill. This side is the non-veg and this side is the veg section. Over here we have 4 types of sauce.
Dancing sauce, black pepper sauce,
dancing, black pepper, mustard and garlic. Over here, could you please tell me what we have?
This one is rabbit.
Rabbit.
This one is
Quail.
Duck.
Duck, Peking duck.
Without bone.
Without
shark meat.
shark meat. Octopus.
And barbecue squid.
Octopus, squid.
Barbecue fish.
Barbecue fish and these are rice noodles. And over here we have first have
mushroom, chickpeas, paneer.
Mushroom, zucchini, paneer, coriander, spring onion, bell pepper and cabbage and onions. Okay. This is the pasta counter. We have 2 types of sauces. Red sauce and white sauce. Over here we have corn, zucchini and the onions, basil, bell pepper. This is the pasta. It's piping hot. It's cool.
75% done.
Okay, and the rest will be tossed with the toppings. Over there we have a pizza, pani puri. All are there. So right now we will be trying the Wish Grill.
Now Jamaican festival. That's why we make a hot dog, chicken waffles.
Do something from shark.
Shark and vegetables.
Yes. And are these pre-mixed with some sauces?
Sauces and vegetables.
Sauces and vegetables. So basically he put some oil on the hot plate, which they call Wish Grill, and now the shark meat and everything will be tossed over here.
First of all, ये इसमें डाला जाएगा.
हाँ.
उसके बाद थोड़ा सा इसको गरम करना.
Every meat is already 75% cooked, and the rest, the 20% is cooked with the sauces, the dancing sauce and mustard.
What do you want, sir?
Tell me what is the difference between dancing and this one?
This one is black pepper flavor. Black pepper. Little spicy.
Little spicy. And the dancing?
Sesame seed.
Sesame seed. Oh, so I will go for the dancing one. This is something new. So just we need to twist and turn like this, and the rest thing will be handled by the Wish Grill itself. Basically it's a very hot plate kind of thing.
A little bit dry.
Oh, so when the mixture becomes dry, we will transfer it to the bowl. This is the final product, and a bit of garnishing, and that's it. It's ready to eat. Thank you.
Most welcome.
So that was how the kebabs are being carried to different tables. The concept is very unique. This is the tabletop grill, and over here we have chicken tikka kebab, followed by this is the mustardy fish, and once again the same chicken. We have prawn kebabs, we have watermelon, paneer and mushroom. This is the shark meat. These are the crispy corn fries and Cajun spiced potatoes. These are the few dips we have. One is mustardy mayonnaise, one is the tamarind, spicy tamarind chutney, and this is the basic tomato and onion chutney. This is mint chutney, and this is the basic mayonnaise. The first bite with the crispy corn, and this is my all-time favorite. It's super crispy. Let me try the shark meat. The secret dancing sauce of Abyss is what making a hell lot of difference in this shark meat. Generally, shark meat tend to be a bit flat when cooked in normal way, but the sauce is truly creating some magic. Over here we have Cajun spiced potatoes. Awesome. Generally, I don't like potatoes that much, but Abyss, the way they have cooked. Over here we have watermelon kebab. It has a unique flavor profile, a bit charred and cumin taste to the watermelon. Totally awesome. Next up is the paneer kebab. The paneer is very soft and spongy. It's very fresh and is having a mustardy kick to it.
Cheese potato sauce.
One. Look at the Cajun spice cheese potato. Wow. Marvelous. Chicken kebabs. It's moist, juicy, and has the subtle flavor of black peppers. Truly awesome. These are the prawn kebabs. What are these? Eta ki ache?
Chicken tangri.
Chicken tangri. These are the chicken tangri drumsticks. And next up we have chicken shish kebab, chicken shish kebab. So these are the chicken shish kebabs. Just look at it, guys. Marvelous. This is the chicken tangri kebab. I'll put some mint chutney on top of it. It's piping hot. Let's give it a try. The chicken has been charred to perfection. Prawn kebab. The prawn is very fresh and not elasticy whatsoever. But I think it could have been a bit spicy. Next up we have the fish kebab. In one word, basha holeo khete khasa. One complimentary mocktail. We have taken Virgin Mojito and Blue Lagoon. These are the two complimentary mocktails, and the presentation of this Virgin Mojito is truly awesome. But there is one problem. There is too much of ice in it. It's very refreshing, and surely help you to ease down all the spicy kebabs so that you can gorge on to the main course items. And over here we have the Blue Lagoon. Frankly speaking, the Virgin Mojito is a lot better than the Blue Lagoon, so now you know which one to take.
On the front side is spicy.
And we have another variant of prawn which is spicy. If you are facing any problem, you just need to request to the table manager and they will cook all the items according to your preference. So I was feeling that the prawn could have been a bit spicy, so I shared my thoughts with them and they have changed the prawn and freshly made a stick of prawn for me, which they claim is spicy. Let me see how much spicy they have made. This is certainly what I was looking for. A prawn taro chatte stick kore. So I love this spicy prawn so much that I ordered for 4 more sticks. Superb. Lemon coriander chicken soup. Oh guys, just look at the consistency. And next up we have tomato basil soup. So the buffet section begins with steamed rice. This is the basic steamed rice, followed by Ebi's special dal. Oh guys, just look at the consistency. Next up we have veg Manchurian. These are the veg Manchurian balls. It's having a very garlicky aroma, followed by butter garlic noodles. And these two are a great combination for all the vegetarian patrons visiting here. Followed by we have dal tadka. The dal also looks tempting, but buffet khete eshe ishab ke khai bhai, because we have tons of non-veg items over there. Over here we have karai paneer. The karai paneer is literally drooling over oil and spices. And this one is also a good option for the vegetarian patrons visiting here. Next up we have veg biryani. Over here this is the veg biryani, and obviously I won't try this because there is a non-veg variant of biryani over there also, which I will show you in a second. Everything is piping hot and fresh. These are the few condiments. Over here papad. This is the salad station. We have ripe tomatoes, carrots, cucumber, onion, and over here we have a sweet corn salad. Next up we have beetroots, and this one is pineapple and watermelon, and this one is raita. This is the overall salad section. The non-veg section begins with chicken dum biryani. It's piping hot and it's having a very nice aroma. It's a Kolkata style biryani because we have potatoes over here. This one is the chicken do piazza. The do piazza is having a utterly buttery gravy. This one is the handi mutton, and this is exactly what I was looking for in these main course items. Over here we have rui macher jhol. It's super spicy and the rui fishes are literally drooling in oil and spices. Next up we have mixed fried rice. It has got chicken, eggs and whatnot. Chili chicken with bone. I expected without bone, but it's okay with bone. Over here we have basmati pulao. Oh, the aroma. The aroma is mouth-watering, mind-blowing. Jamaican chili panentine. See, this is Jamaican chicken panentine. I don't know what is this. And over here corn on the cob. And sizzling of chicken offals. The presentation is top notch, and I have already shown you the wish grill items. This is the dessert section. Over here we have few types of pastries, and this one is the American cheesecake, followed by Ebi's special chocolate pastry. Next up we have strawberry pastry. The garnishing is top notch, followed by firni. I don't know what is this because the nameplate is missing. Over here we have jelly. These are few fresh cut fruits, watermelon and pineapple. This is another dessert section. And jalebis are being fried. Live action right in front of your eyes. It's having a nice aroma of ghee or clarified butter, of that mela mela feeling. Generally jalebis we get to see in Churni Mela or stuff like that. These are the carrot cakes. The presentation is truly awesome, and this one is mango cake. Over here we have Jamaican cake, and this one is the chocolate brownie. Apart from all this, we have Anguri Gulab Jamuns, piping hot fresh, and small mini size rasgullas. This is something new which I haven't came across in any other restaurants. Here we have two variants. One is the chili ice cream. This is something new, and the pan one we already had on Ruby. The jalebis are being dipped in the sugar syrup. Live action everywhere. And over here the pan ice cream is being prepared. They have made a concoction of bitter leaves and different other condiments. Oh, just see how colorful it's looking. Once again he just smashes everything and smothers to mix everything finely. This is the fried rolls ice cream. Wow, just wow. See, he just rolls the ice cream. And over here we have one chili ice cream. Thank you. Fried chili ice cream, and this one is the pan ice cream. You can see the chili flakes. It's certainly something unique. It's sweet and also spicy all at the same time, and the aftertaste is of the chili flakes. So it's nice but not that excellent, but this will be excellent, I guarantee. It's heavenly delicious. Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the like, share and subscribe button, as it motivates me to make new videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.